Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all you happy. May Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing girls crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people, and all of the design that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. Keep your guys. So I keep similar designs with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box. You can like our videos if you want watch any videos related. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. It's very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss off the video on my channel. So friend, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all of kind fashion related designs. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Will remember and period and bye.